Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Reti and Rudolf Spielmann. This game was played in Vienna in 1928. Reti had white pieces and he started with e4. Rudolf Spielmann played e6, d4, d5, the French defense. Advanced variation. c5, the standard move and the most played move, attacking white center. c3, knight to c6, more pressure on the pawn on d4. Knight to f3, c takes on d4, c takes on d4, queen to b6, knight to c3, bishop to d7, bishop to e2, knight from g to e7, and Reti castled kingside. But now, knight to f5. Three attackers on the pawn on d4. This is the historical moment. This is the first time ever that this position was reached. How should white continue? What would you do in this position if you had white pieces? Reti played knight to a4. Reti was the first player who played this move, and later this move became the most popular and the standard move played by hundreds of players. There were other tries like bishop to b5, bishop to e3, and knight to b5, but the results were not as good as Reti's knight to a4. Attacking the queen, queen to a5, bishop to d2, bishop to b4, bishop takes on b4, queen takes on b4, a3, queen to e7, rook to c1, and Spielmann castled kingside too. Knight to c5, b6, knight takes on d7, queen takes on d7, bishop to b5, pinning the knight, knight from f to e7, queen to d3, preventing a6. This is an amazing situation. Spielmann is almost paralyzed. He doesn't know what to do. h6 was played. Surely he considered f6 and then like discontinuation when he had to recapture with the g pawn. So we have h6, rook to c3, intending to double the rooks on the c file. Black to move. What do you do when you don't know what to do? Push a pawn. a5 was played. If a6, then bishop takes on a6. So we have a5, rook from f to c1, rook from f to c8. White to move. White played a move and black resigned, and the move is, please pause and find the best move for white. The move is queen to c2. Spielmann resigned. One line goes like this. Knight takes on d4. This is actually the best move for black. Knight takes on d4, rook takes on c3, queen takes on c3, queen to d8, queen to c7, queen takes on c7, rook takes on c7. White is a piece up and in a better position. And let's go back to the last move. This is the move, queen to c2. One of the greatest players of all time, Alekhine, studied this game very carefully and 2 years later used the same strategy and idea to defeat Aron Nimzowitsch. I am talking about the game Alekhine, Aron Nimzowitsch that was played in San Remo in 1930. Do you get inspired when you watch the games of the great masters? What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.